Hey everyone, it's another Travel with Jeff classic. Today we'll go all the way back to January 2009 and see my very first travel video, which was posted on my original YouTube page. The page still exists, but nothing has been posted in more than 10 years. Anyways, we'll be flying on Virgin America 791 from LAX to Seattle. Unfortunately, Virgin America no longer exists, but the memories will not be forgotten. A word of warning. The quality of this video is different, as I recorded this on a Canon Powershot A350, and I used Microsoft Movie Maker 1.0 to edit. Yes, it's true, I used Microsoft Movie Maker 1.0 to edit. The video does not contain any of the detail that my current videos show, like check-ins, lounges, boarding, the seats, food, or anything like that. Nope. Instead, this video is just the takeoff and landing and some pictures in the middle. That's how far I've progressed as a content creator and continue to try to improve it.
Seattle, Washington. As we make our way to the gate, please keep your seatbelt fastened. When the seatbelt sign is turned off, it's safe to get up. Be sure to look around your seats to make sure you have all your belongings. And please be careful opening the compartments above because things shift during flight and landing and can fall out unexpectedly when the compartment is open. If you're going to within reach, please feel free to take a call now. From everyone here at Virgin America, thanks for flying with us and have a pleasant morning.
I hope you enjoyed this really old video. I wish I knew then what I knew now about trip reports and Virgin America. Anyway, there's tons of great trip reports out there about the airline that you can watch if you wanted to see what it was like to fly them. I thought it was a very innovative airline for the time. With that, if you haven't done so, please like and comment on my videos, and subscribe to my page today. And you'll get to see all of the previous videos I've made from 2012 up to today. So for the time being, with all that's not happening, I'll be archiving a lot of videos, and I think it'll be a while before some new content comes out. So anyways, thanks for watching, and please support me. Thank you.